Hi guys, this is Shaun from KL. The dish that I'll be doing today is Otak-Otak. It's a spiced fish paste found usually in Southeast Asian countries. Mix everything together, turmeric and a little bit of the ginger and the candlenut, belacan as well, the lemongrass, the chilies that's been chopped, and some of the garlic. Adding the shallots as well. Then we'll just pound it. We're gonna cut up the fish, make sure that it's all smaller pieces. We're going to combine fish paste, some coconut milk with a little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of kaffir lime leaf that's been chopped up, and also some eggs to make the farce. So for this one now, we're going to set it aside in the fridge to keep it cold, and then we're going to start sauteing our paste. Put a little bit of neutral cooking oil, and then we're going to start to saute the paste. So we're going to cook it on medium heat, 30 minutes to an hour. After we are done caramelizing, and we're just going to add the cooled down rempah to it. Put this into the banana leaves and then wrap it up. Put a little bit of the paste in the middle, wrap it again, push it all together into the center. Wrap it once, put one toothpick in one side, stick it through the other side as well. I would put this into the fridge 30 minutes or an hour. So the next step, and we're going to grill it over the charcoal, 3 to 5 minutes on each side. And there we have it. So we have our Otak-Otak. Hope you enjoy it.